Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to extend the video length in Canva so your clips can be longer and match your project timing. Whether we are editing presentations, social media videos, or slideshows, adjusting durations helps everything flow smoothly. On the Canva dashboard, we have a video project here, and we want to extend the video up to 20 seconds. All we need to do is click the video, and we will see a side button appear. As you can see, there is an arrow pointing left and right. We just need to drag it to the right until we reach the duration we want. Once we are done, the video is now extended. Let's play it back to confirm. We can see the video is now longer than 10 seconds. And that is how we extend the video length in Canva. Simple, quick, and easy to do.